Hello, this is Larry Delaney. I'm president of the Washington Education Association. And on behalf of the 90,000 WEA members statewide, it gives me great pride to announce that the WEA selection in this year's Superintendent's Art Show is the piece Pride and Unity by Mariah Vanbaren. Mariah is a student at Mount Spokane High School in the Meade School District in ESD 101 and is in Angelica Wilson Whipp's classroom.
My name is Mariah Vanbaren, and I'm a senior at Mount Spokane High School in Spokane, Washington. This is a piece I made earlier this year from my AP portfolio, and I thought it'd be perfect to submit to this competition as well. I believe that art has the power to impact people emotionally and then ultimately change the world. And so as a queer student, I wanted to create a piece that would reflect the love and strength of that community. I also wanted to depict multiple skin tones to truly show that love has no bounds, whether that is platonic or romantic. So I hope that this piece can inspire you as much as it has inspired me.
Mariah's statement spoke to me in particular when she said, no matter your race, age, or gender expression, one should be free to care for whoever they choose. This aligns so perfectly with WEA's values, and we fly a pride flag outside of our building in Federal Way 24/7, 365 as a message to our students and educators and community members around the state that we see you and we support you. Thank you for this work, Mariah.